Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful paper quilling slider card for Valentine's Day. So the beautiful flowers are handmade and the slider mechanism works like this. So you will get two surprise message or hidden message when you will slide this. And on this I have added these cute lovebirds image. So, isn't it a great idea? So, without any further delay, let's get started. For this, we need some 3 mm quilling strips, half cut pearls, scissor, ball tool, pencil, ruler, paper cutter, quilling tool, pattern paper, red color thick sheet, and pink color thick sheet. First, I am taking this pink color thick sheet which measures 25.5 by 18 centimeters, and from left side I am creasing on 12 centimeters and then 24 centimeters. This sheet is having 260 GSM thickness. Now I am just folding the creased parts. Then on this 12 centimeter side, I am marking on 2 centimeters from both the sides. Create a line. Then just rotate your paper and mark on 3 centimeters on both the sides. Again create a line. So you will get a rectangle shape. Then we have to cut these big lines from left and right sides. So I am taking my paper cutter and I will cut these two lines. I am just erasing the pencil work and it's done. Now I am taking one pattern paper which is slightly smaller than this portion, and I am just adhering my pattern paper on top of this. Then from back side I am cutting the slit from pattern paper as well. Then I am taking one pink color strip which measures 12 by 3 centimeters, and I am just sliding it through this cut like this. I have just weaved it. Take out your strip till the bottom and then fold from both the sides like this. So it should slide easily and smoothly. So I'm just folding it by leaving little gap so that it can slide smoothly like this. Then I'm taking one red color sheet which measures 10 by 15 centimeters, and I'm going to attach this on this folded parts. So just add little glue and connect your red sheet. So it will work like this. So I thought here to decrease the length of our sliding portion, so I'm taking this 3 by 2 centimeter pink color sheet and I'm just topping my slider little bit from the bottom. So I'm connecting this pink strip so that it will stop our red sheet here only. But if you want, you can keep it as it is, but I thought the cut was little deep and I didn't want that deeper cut, so I just stopped it by adding little strip. So our strip has been stopped till here. Now I'm taking one red color sheet which measures 9 by 9 centimeter and I'm going to connect this on top of this. Like this. And then I am connecting this strip. So just add little glue, tuck it behind the red sheet and then just secure it. So basic card is done. Now it's time to decorate it. I'm trimming off little bit of this red strip from top, approx 1 centimeter. So I'm just cutting it using my paper cutter. And decorating this using this heart shaped punch border. Like this. Then I'm stamping Happy Valentine's Day using my black color ink on this hidden part. See how crisp and beautiful it is looking. You can also use your calligraphy pen or black color gel pen to write sentiment. Now I'm adding this green color square paper. This is a designer pattern paper which is little smaller than 9 by 9 and adding these cute lovebird critter sheet on top of this. Then adding one more pattern paper on this backside red sheet. Allow it to dry for some time. Then I'm using my heart stamp and using pink archival ink. I'm stamping the heart here and there on the pattern paper. Like this. Then I am starting with paper quilling flowers. For the first flower I am taking 1/4 strip of light pink color and half strip of dark pink color and making one pointed teardrop shape. So I'm going to add total 7 petals for one flower. And for the center, I will add half cut pearl. In the same way, I have created one more flower. Now for the other flower, I am taking one strip of dark pink color and making one pointed teardrop shape. And again I am joining 7 petals and adding medium size half cut pearl in the center. So flowers are ready. Then I am starting with leaf. For this I am taking half strip of sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape, joining 3 petals together, and the leaf is ready. So we need total 4 leaves of same size. In the same way, I have created scrolls using same color combination. Now taking back my card, and I am decorating the top and bottom using this punch border design. For this I have used golden color paper. And then I will start adhering my quilling decorations. Like this. So the beautiful paper quilling slider card for Valentine's Day is ready. It's super easy to create and I'm sure you will make it very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comment and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.